Today I'm going to teach you a very easy way how to make मसाला डोसा. मसाला डोसा तो सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, फिर दाल भिगो, रात भर उसको फर्मेंट करने दो. That becomes sometimes very tedious and we don't feel like doing it. So I'll be using this batter for making dosa. Dosa के साथ today I will teach you how to make a easy way to prepare a coconut chutney and the आलू की सब्जी. Let's come to coconut chutney first. Coconut नहीं है तो कोई problem नहीं है. Coconut dust are easily available. So here I have taken 7 spoon of coconut dust, 1 mirchi, just 4 to 5 garlic pods, and I have dry roasted this chana dal 2 spoon and उड़द दाल 1 spoon. इसको मैं पहले रोस्ट करके रखी हूँ. नाउ आई विल ग्राइंड इट एंड आई विल बी यूजिंग लेमन. वो भी एक ईजी तरीका है. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव लेमन, कोई परवाह नहीं, यू कैन यूज़ दिस लेमनीज. कोई टेस्ट में फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. नाउ लेट्स गो एंड डू इट. अब ये मिक्सी में सब डाल रही हूँ. ये और ये जो मैंने रोस्ट करके रखा है पहले वो डाला है. Now I will be giving this mirchi and the garlic. Now the coconut powder, coconut dust rather. Salt you do according to your taste. Then the lemon I'll squeeze and give. One lemon is enough. I'll be adding 100 ml of water. Now let me grind it. थोड़ा और पानी चाहिए, so I'm adding another 100 ml of water. My chutney is ready. It just needs tempering now. Now one thing I must tell you, that if you want, you can add peanuts also. Now let's prepare the tempering. For tempering, give 1 teaspoon of oil, mustard seeds. Once it starts spluttering, you can give a little hing. Then the curry leaves. Now add the tempering. Mix it well. The white chutney is ready. Now here again and again I tell in all my recipes, if you want you can add a little mirchi or mirchi powder. I don't like much spice, so I have not added. So now let's go to the aloo ki sabji. Now let's prepare the aloo ki sabji. I am pouring 2 tablespoonful of oil. For tempering, थोड़ा mustard, one red chili, goes the curry patta, little cumin seeds, now putting the potatoes. I'll put half onion and I'll fry it well. Add salt. Salt helps to cook faster. Adjust sugar and salt according to your taste. Add some hing, haldi and mirchi powder. Mix well. Cook it for 1 minute. Add sugar. As this is a quick procedure, I have made a tomato puree at home, so I am using that. If you want, you can cut tomatoes and mix it like this. After giving the tomato, if you want, you can give 2 tomatoes also, but I have used 1 big tomato. After this, add 100 ml of water. Then cover it and cook. The aloo ka sabji is ready now. Now my chutney is ready. My aloo ka sabji is ready. Waiting for the dosa to come into this plate. Now I am preparing the batter. With that ID dosa batter, I have added 100 ml of water. See, you have to see the consistency. This is the right consistency. If you think your batter needs more water, then add more water. If it's less, then add less water. See, this should be the consistency of the dosa batter. In the meantime, I am preheating my dosa tawa. Remember one thing, the dosa tawa has to be very hot. And कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना, first dosa is not successful, so don't get disheartened कि first dosa खराब हो गया. It होता है, so no problem. So, but this has to be very hot. The dosa tawa, a few drops of oil, put it like this, and use a tissue. Rub it nicely. Be very careful. The dosa tawa is very hot. Just rub. Many people use onion, but I prefer like this. Sprinkle water like this. Then only you will know that your tawa is hot or not. Now I am pouring the batter. And हल्का हाथों से गोल बनाइए. Uniformly move your ladle. It will go down. Some ghee. घी डोसा बंडी में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Ghee, give some karam like this. See, नीचे हो गया, बहुत अच्छी तरह से हो गया. So now I'll put the आलू का मसाला. ज़्यादा मत डालिए. Now fold it nicely and serve. Quickly I'll show you how to make a onion dosa. Sprinkle some oil. Bit of onion, and I have learned to mix carrot with it in Hyderabad. Put some ghee, and if you want, as it is an onion dosa, if you want, put some more onion. See, it is getting nice and crispy. So this dosa is done. Now for the non-vegetarians, I will show you egg dosa. Pour the egg like this and sprinkle some onions. Pour some oil. It will take 2 minutes, and one thing special about egg dosa is you have to flip it. This is egg dosa, so we have to flip it. Oh my god, it's looking so yummy. Now it will just take 2 minutes to be done. The dosa is served with white chutney, aloo ki sabji and tomato ki chutney. See, this is for the non-vegetarians. Egg dosa. It's too hot. And this is onion dosa. Enjoy your breakfast, and if you really enjoy your breakfast, then do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.